Hello guys, I'm Vedant. Today we will discuss about preventing security threats and 6 ways to stop network security threats. Let's see preventing security threats. Computer security threats are relentlessly inventive. Masters of disguise and manipulation, these threats constantly evolve to find new ways to annoy, steal and harm. Arm yourself with information and resources to safeguard against complex and growing computer security threats. Firewall. A firewall is a network security device that monitors and filters incoming and outgoing network traffic based on organizations' previously established security policies. At its most basic, a firewall is essentially the barrier that sits between a private internal network and the public internet. Antivirus software that is created specifically to help detect, prevent, and remove malware. Malicious software. Antivirus is a kind of software used to prevent, scan, detect, and delete viruses from a computer. Once installed, most antivirus software runs automatically in the background to provide real-time protection against virus attacks. Anti-spyware. Anti-spyware software is intended to prevent and detect unwanted spyware and consequently removes them. Anti-spyware software will perform routine checks on your computer to ensure your system is safe. As well as this, it will also make sure your privacy is protected 24/7 from any possible intrusions. Strong password. Passwords are notorious for being the weakest link between a network and a successful attack. Using the same password for multiple accounts, sharing password, keeping sticky notes on your monitor with login information, or just having a weak password in general are big no-nos when it comes to cybersecurity. Encryption. Encryption helps to keep user and corporate data protected and private. However, it also creates security challenges when it comes to the proliferation of malware infections and other malicious content when traffic is encrypted. Organizations are unable to see what is inside the traffic. Network policy. There is no definitive mechanism for protecting a network because any security system can be subverted or compromised, if not from outside, then certainly from the inside. Ultimately, to secure a network is to implement different layers of security so that the attackers must compromise two or more systems to gain access to critical assets.